Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c:, and hit enter to execute this command. Now type c:, and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c:/ bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space c:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.